Hi, this is Nanette Hosenfeld with the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Monday, June 6, 2016. Looking at the next few days, there are some fire potential impacts. We'll see lightning with light rain today across Idaho. Looking at the next few days, we will see some fire potential impacts. The main thing of note today is a mix of dry and wet lightning across portions of Nevada. You can see that area highlighted in red on the map. And there is also the potential for some gusty winds after hot and dry weather across portions of central and southern Utah and southern Nevada. We are expecting lightning across portions of Idaho and northern Utah and Nevada. However, in the areas highlighted in green, this lightning will trend wetter and fuels are also more moist in these areas. Over the past 24 hours, there was some thunderstorm activity over portions of the Great Basin. The area that received the most rain is highlighted in the map on the left, and that's mainly northern Nevada and portions of southwestern Idaho. Those same areas also saw a fair amount of lightning. ERCs are trending upwards, which is not too much of a surprise given the record-breaking heat we've seen over the past few days. Quite a few stations, especially across the southern part of the Great Basin, have moved into that 50th to 70th percentile. Live fuel moistures are also on a drying trend, which again with the hotter and drier weather is not much of a surprise. Fuel moistures are dropping across the entire Great Basin with some areas below normal. You can see the triangle site, which is the graph on the top right, is below normal. This site is in southwestern Idaho. And the Horse Hollow site, which is in central Utah, has also dropped below normal. As far as precipitation over the past 7 days, we've really dried out. You can see the map on the left, which shows the past 7 days compared to the map on the right, showing the past 30 days. There is a significant decrease in precipitation, so we really have entered a hotter, drier period compared to the past month. As far as significant fire potential, portions of the Great Basin, especially the southern and western portions of the Great Basin, will see low to moderate risk for fire potential. For weather this afternoon, we will see some showers and thunderstorms, mainly across the northern and western portions of the Great Basin. The map on the left shows those areas that are expected to see those showers and thunderstorms. And we will see lightning with these. It'll be drier further west across the Great Basin. There will be some gusty winds as well. The map on the right shows the expected areas of wind gusts, and mainly southwestern Utah will see the gusty winds. Moving into Tuesday, high pressure shifts slowly eastward across the Great Basin with an embedded low pressure system moving overhead in Utah. And we will see continued hot temperatures leading to further areas of low to moderate risk for fire potential across the Great Basin. For tomorrow afternoon, we will see another day of showers and thunderstorms, though the areas that will see those that coverage will shift eastward. Winds will be slightly gusty, though generally at or below 20 miles an hour for those wind gusts tomorrow afternoon. Moving into Wednesday, that high pressure begins to shift to the east, and we will see winds pick up across the western part of the Great Basin. You can really see some gusty winds that are forecast to develop across western Nevada tomorrow afternoon. There will be some shower and thunderstorm activity on Wednesday, though it'll be much decreased as that high pressure system moves eastward. So the 3-day precipitation accumulation map will kind of points out the areas of the Great Basin that are expected to receive precipitation over the next 3 days. You can see it's much of the area with the exception of southern Nevada. Moving into Thursday, that high pressure will continue to make its way eastward. We will see continued low to moderate risk as far as fire potential across the southern part of the Great Basin. Moving into Friday, we will see that high pressure continue to move east with another low pressure system making its way. And with this low pressure system approaching, winds will begin to increase from the west. We will start to see some gusty winds moving into Friday across the western half of the Great Basin. Saturday, that system continues to make its way into the basin. We will see that low to moderate risk continue across the southern part of the Great Basin. And this continues into Sunday. With that low pressure system moving into the western part of the Great Basin. We will see cooler and wetter conditions moving into this weekend with that low pressure system making its way into the area. 7-day precipitation accumulations point out really the fact that much of the Great Basin will see precipitation with the exception of southern and western Nevada. Finally, looking at the 8 to 14-day period, the Climate Prediction Center is calling for below normal temperatures across the western and northern part of the Great Basin with normal temperatures elsewhere and below normal precipitation across the entire area. So that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Our information is on the screen. Thanks.